Hey, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit, fine, taking good care of yourself. You all know me. I am your English teacher Archana Singh, welcoming you all to the English class. So, before starting the new chapter, the Magic Matchbox, we have already done the worksheets of the mouse in the house, right? So, today we will start the Magic Matchbox. Okay. Though we have not done the chapter in the reader, but we will do the practice book chapter, as we know that 3 days we are having reader and 3 days we are having practice book, isn't it? So the first worksheet is in lesson 10, the magic matchbox. Neha does a lot of work for the witch. Complete the following to do the correction. For the witch, complete the following list of work Neha does for the witch. Choose the correct word from the help box. Okay. The help box words are catches, teaches, cooks, fetches. So we will use these words to complete this fill in the blanks. Okay. Neha fetches sticks for cooking. She catches fish from the pond. She cooks food. She stitches clothes for the witch. All these words which tell us about some action are called doing words. That means these are all the doing words. Fetches, catches, cooks, teaches. These are the doing words. With the help of this, we are completing the sentence, or we are identifying the person, whatever work he or she is doing. Okay. That is the action. That means action words. The action words are known as doing words. Okay. So we will proceed for next worksheet, that is worksheet 2. Neha is playing with her friends near the jamun tree. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with words from the help box. See, this is the picture. Basically a picture reading what are the students doing near the jamun tree. We have to write down the activity using doing words. Okay, see, it's already in the help box. It is given collecting, climbing, sitting, eating, watching. We will just take the words to complete this fill in the blanks. So first one is Neha is climbing the tree. Bhima is sitting on the tree. Kavita is watching Neha. Karan is collecting jamuns from the ground. Kareem is eating jamuns. Okay. See, I have already done for you all people. So with the help of this picture reading, we have completed the doing words. Okay, so this worksheet is also complete. We will proceed for next worksheet. That is worksheet number 3. Underline the doing words in the following sentences. First one is Rajat goes to school. What is the doing word here? Goes. What is Rajat doing? Rajat is going. That means if going or he goes to school. Both are the doing words. My mother cooks tasty food. Cooks is the doing word. What is the mother doing? Cooking. That means cooks. The dog is running after the cat. What is the dog doing? It is running. Running is the doing word. We should cross the road carefully. How we will cross the road? Carefully. That means cross is the doing word. She sings beautifully. Sings is the doing word. They are playing cricket. What are they doing? Playing cricket. Playing is the doing word. The maid washes the dishes. Washes is the doing word. Neha is watching television. Watching means she is watching television. Okay, what is she doing? She is watching television. So these are all the doing words I have underlined. Next one is worksheet number 4. Look at the pictures and make sentences to tell what the person is doing. See, this is the picture of that person. What each person is doing, we have to make sentences using doing words. See, I have already done for you. My father is reading newspaper. Sita is dancing. Okay. Next one is Ravi is climbing on the ladder. Anu is painting on the canvas. The teacher is teaching on the blackboard. See, I have already made the sentences by seeing the pictures. If you want to change the names or anything, you can do. But I'll advise you, whatever I have written, please write it down. Okay. So next worksheet is Worksheet number 5. Write any 8 words you know that end with TCH. See, I have already done with this. CATCH, MATCH, match, catch, SCRATCH, scratch, STITCH, stitch, ITCH, itch, PATCH, patch, STRETCH, stretch, WITCH, which. These are the words ending with TCH. Okay. I hope you have understood whatever worksheets I have done today. And worksheet 1, 2, 3 we will do in the classroom. Okay, as a class work, and 4, 5 will be your homework. Okay, so by this I'll end my class. I hope you have understood the worksheets and you will be easily solving it, because I have already solved it for you. I hope you will not face any problem. If you can ask me, I am there to help you out. Okay. So all of you take care, stay at home, listen to your parents, respect your teachers, elders and grandparents, and please stay at home. Okay, and do your work on time and send me on time. Right. So have a very nice day and take care all of you. Bye students, take care.